In today's video, we're going to explore the top Niagara Falls tours for 2024. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a nature lover, or just looking to explore one of the most beautiful places on Earth, we have a tour for you. Let's dive in. First up, we have the one-day trip to Niagara Falls. This tour is perfect for those who want to experience the falls in a single day. You'll get to see all the major attractions, including the breathtaking Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls. It's an action-packed day that you won't forget. Next on our list is the Niagara Falls Boat Tours. Feel the mist on your face as you get up close and personal with the falls. This tour offers an unparalleled view of the falls from the water, giving you a unique perspective of this natural wonder. Don't forget your raincoat. For those looking for a bird's-eye view, the Niagara Falls helicopter tour is a must. Soar above the falls and take in the stunning aerial views. This tour offers a truly unique experience, allowing you to see the falls from a perspective that few ever do. Coming up next, we have the Toronto to Niagara Falls Day Tour. This tour is perfect for those staying in Toronto but wanting to visit the falls. Enjoy a comfortable bus ride with scenic views and guided commentary, making your journey as enjoyable as the destination. Traveling with a large group? Our large group custom bus tour from Toronto, Brampton, Mississauga, Oakville, Milton, Hamilton, Burlington, or Niagara-on-the-Lake to Niagara Falls is the way to go. This tour is tailored to accommodate your group's specific needs, ensuring a memorable and hassle-free experience. And for a more personalized experience, consider our Niagara Falls private tours. These tours can start from Niagara Falls and head to Toronto, Brampton, Mississauga, Oakville, Milton, Hamilton, Burlington, or Niagara-on-the-Lake. Enjoy the flexibility and comfort of a private tour tailored just for you. No matter which tour you choose, Niagara Falls promises an unforgettable adventure. Book your tour today and make 2024 a year to remember. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing tours and travel tips from ToNiagara.